Expeditors International Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think global logistics is complicated and risky, but Expeditors International provides a reliable solution for businesses needing freight, customs, and supply chain services. Expeditors offers air, ocean, and ground shipping, customs brokerage, and warehousing. One standout feature is its global network and technology-driven tracking system, which gives clients real-time visibility of shipments worldwide. Most people get this wrong. They assume logistics companies handle everything automatically. The surprising truth is that Expeditors works closely with clients to plan, monitor, and optimize supply chains, which ensures compliance and efficiency, but requires collaboration. Another advantage is compliance expertise. Expeditors is well-versed in international trade regulations, helping businesses avoid fines, delays, or customs issues. They also provide personalized solutions for inventory management and distribution. However, there are considerations. Costs can be higher than smaller freight providers, and service levels may vary by region. Businesses should compare options and evaluate service agreements carefully. In conclusion, Expeditors International is a trusted partner for companies seeking global logistics support. With robust technology and experienced teams, it can streamline shipping and compliance, making complex supply chains easier to manage. Subscribe for more honest logistics and business service reviews before choosing your next shipping partner.